Eagle Cam, it's live streaming Eagle Cam here in Southeast Washington, D.C. It's the home of Liberty and Justice, who are a nesting pair of bald eagles that have been here since about 2005. They're part of a reintroduction effort that the Earth Conservation Corps started back in 1994. The nest is at 110 foot up an oak tree here on top of this hill. And so it's really important for us to have this connection with Pepco, because without Pepco, it wouldn't be possible to even bring this camera to life or do as much maintenance as we do on these cameras and to keep upgrading the equipment. And so it's going to be really cool to be able to bring this virtual reality experience into classrooms and have students that can actually feel like they're sitting inside of an eagle nest.